This was my second time to pray the LPGA, and the first time I prayed 2019, I was invited as a prayer, but today I prayed like I was praying proam. I enjoyed the course and the people I was praying with. Yeah, it was good experience with the pro I was praying with. I picked a few, I learned something from them. Yeah, and I enjoyed the round.
Sponsorship from M-Pesa Global Pay means a lot, because most people who play golf, they know Pro-Am is like very expensive to play. So they catered for all that, and some people, like as late or as early as yesterday, some people were still looking for the slots. It's a really popular event, but at the same time it's so expensive. So I'm really grateful to Safaricom and M-Pesa Global Pay for giving us this opportunity to play in this PGA rated course.
We are excited to note that in the last 4 years or so of the sponsorship, we managed to commit over 100 million in supporting this particular event, and we trust that we're going to continue partnering with the golf of fraternity, so that we can continue providing the same sponsorship as we proceed. On top of just giving the money to support the event, we also providing high-speed internet to ensure that the global community continues to participate in the event. So the media team is able to screen this event live to the global audience by ensuring that we are providing the high-speed internet.